Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but either Google Play Store or Google Chrome doesn't work on Xiaomi 13. So right here we have the Google Play Store, and I tried to download Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see, it's stuck in a pending mode and we can't actually download it. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. And here we have a Fortnite website. If we refresh or try to reach any other website, there's this error. To fix this, go to your settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings, enter date and time, and set time automatically. If you go back to your download and select install, it should actually begin instantly, just like that. And the same is with Google Chrome, so we can continue browsing and it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.